Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to find all the devices which are currently logged in to your account. Now, I'm going to show you which apps use your account and how to actually log all of them out of your account on the X platform. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device and open up the X platform. Now here you see your current Twitter feed, and we want to go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears. Now here you see a bunch of options, but what we want to do, we want to go to the last option called Settings and Support. Now use the drop down menu to open up the Settings and Privacy tab. And here we want to go to the second option called Security and Account Access. Now from out here, we want to go to Apps and Sessions, because here you can find all the current sessions which are logged into your Twitter account. Now as you can see, when we go to the sessions, here you see that there's currently a Windows computer signed in to my Twitter account. Now you can see where it is and how long ago they signed in. Now as you can see, my iPhone, which I'm using right now, is active, as you can see. And if I want to go to the account which is signed in to my session here, I can see that I can log out this device. And here now it's signed out, and that a person can't use my Twitter account anymore. Now let's say you want to see all the history of your current Twitter account, who signed in. You can simply go down to Account Access History. Now you simply need to sign in, and from there you can see all the users who used your Twitter account. It's very easy. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.